2026 is the year. Money becomes automatic, your income automatic, your budget automatic, your growth completely automatic. Welcome to 2026, the year AI doesn't just assist you, it makes you money. In this video, I am showing you the top AI side hustles and passive income strategies you can start now. I will provide different AI and how to use them in this video. Top AI money making ideas for 2026 with tools and how to use them. Idea number 1, AI content creation and freelancing. AIs that can be used to create content even without content ideas. Number 1, ChatGPT 5.1. So it can be used to write scripts, blogs, and captions. Number 2, Opus Clip AI. It can turn long videos into viral shots. Number 3 is Canva AI. It can be used to design thumbnails and social graphics. Number 4 is Pictory AI. Pictory can be used to auto-create videos. It can create video automatically. Number 5, we have 11 Labs AI. How to use AI in creating content and freelancing. 1. Go to ChatGPT, type create a YouTube script about X. That is, if you state the topic. Number 2, paste into Pictory. AI creates the video. Number 3, open Opus Clip. Generate 10 or more shots. Number 4, upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. Number 5, start earning from ads plus client digital products. So that is for content creation. Idea number 2, AI powered online courses and coaching. So the AI tools that can be used for that. Number 1, Kajabi AI. Kajabi is spelled Kajabi. Kajabi AI. 2, Teachable AI. That is course builder. Number 3, Notion AI. Number 4, Synthesia AI. That is AI presenter videos. How to use this AI. 1, use ChatGPT to outline the course. 2, use Synthesia to create AI presenter lessons. 3, upload to Kajabi or Teachable. Number 4, sell the course globally on autopilot. Idea number 3, AI side hustles that pay daily. Tools required. Number 1, remote task AI. That is AI training task. 2, to local AI. AI data labeling. 3, Amazon MTalk. MTalk is spelled MTURK. 4, Click Workers AI. Click Worker AI task. How to use this? Sign up, complete simple AI training task, get paid daily or weekly. Idea number 4, AI social media management. Tools required. Number 1, Buffer AI. 2, Hootsuite AI. 3, Canva Magic Studio. How to use this? Offer to manage pages for small businesses. AI schedules, write captions, and create posts. Idea number 5, AI tutoring, homework assistance. AI tutoring, homework assistance. Tools required. Number 1, Kamingo AI. Kamingo is spelled K-H-A-N-M-I-G-O. Kamingo AI. 2, ChatGPT tutor mode. 3, Photomat AI. Business model. Help students solve assignments. Charge per session or monthly plan. Idea number 6, AI e-commerce and dropshipping. Tools required. Number 1, Shopify Magic AI. Number 2, Sell the Trend AI Product Finder. 3, Midjourney or ideogram product images. How to use? AI finds trending products. Then you move to AI generate marketing materials. Then to Shopify Magic build product descriptions, then launch store. Idea number 7, AI automation services for small businesses. Tools required. Number 1, Zapier AI. 2, Make.com AI. 3, custom GPTs. How to use this? Set up automation like 1, automatic invoicing. 2, automatic customers messages. 3, automatic inventory updates. Charge $200 to $2,000 per automation setup. If you learned something new today, drop a comment saying 2026 is my year. And if you want the full list of AI tools, comment tools and I drop it for you.